Okay, this is the 2007 Raptor 700 stock pipe. Alright, let's give her a start. Let's see what the exhaust stock sounds like. Alright, completed the big 3 on the 700 Raptor, which is your intake, GYTR, Power Commander 5, down to my new pipes, which are dual Big Gun Evo R series, and that's full dual exhaust. We're going to go ahead and see the difference between the stock single pipe and then the aftermarket dual exhaust. Alright, let's start her, see what she sounds like.